Well, India comprises of 29 states,
Yes.
and therefore we started off with having sales tax on goods
Right.
at every state level.
Right.
We then brought in, around the turn of the century, a services tax to tax services. So then you had 29 sales tax at the state level for goods and a national service tax on services.
Right.
And then you had excise duty, which was a legacy colonial tax on manufacturing of goods. So you actually had a plethora of fragmented taxes, which is what GST tried to subsume into one tax.
And these taxes would have been cascading in nature versus GST,
Correct.
which is on value
I think
added.
two things were happening. Because you had a multitude of taxes and a multitude of taxing authorities and a failure in the credit systems, the cost of tax in the system was very high. That was one. B, you had the behavior from some of the taxing authorities to give incentives. And therefore, there was a provocation to a race to the bottom because different states wanted to try and give different incentives because they wanted to compete for investment in jobs. Sure. So by bringing in a uniform tax system, you also eliminated the tax arbitrage that sat in the system.